New culinary delights coming to downtown Disney District. Calling all food enthusiasts. Prepare your taste buds for an exhilarating culinary journey set to unfold at the downtown Disney District in Disneyland Resort. This spring, indulge in a myriad of innovative flavors and culinary delights as they unveil 3 new Mexican dining destinations. Additionally, mark your calendars for the eagerly anticipated arrival of Din Tai Fung, while they also tease future restaurant expansions and an array of delectable sweet treats heading your way. Get ready for an exclusive glimpse into the upcoming openings of Paseo, Centrico, and Tiendita, set to debut in May. Renowned Michelin-starred chef Carlos Gaydon is poised to dazzle with his vibrant interpretation of Mexican cuisine at the downtown Disney District. Drawing inspiration from his roots in Huitzuco, Mexico, these 3 unique concepts, Paseo, Centrico, and Tiendita, will offer guests a captivating journey through authentic flavors and culture, promising an unforgettable culinary experience. Centrico, the courtyard bar and restaurant, will be an energetic, central gathering place serving upscale Mexican cuisine and tequila-based cocktails. Its open, airy spaces designed with custom wood elements and lush greenery will welcome you into its outdoor canopy. At Tiendita, you'll experience Mexican heritage flavors and street food staples on the go. Through a self-ordering kiosk, menu options will include esquites, roasted corn, fish tacos, ice cream stuffed chocolate tacos, and breakfast favorites like chorizo breakfast burritos and chilaquiles, marinated tortilla chips with egg. You may even see the expert culinary team at work, adding to the experience. A stunning staircase will lead you to Paseo's show-stopping dining room and bar area lined with rich woods, tiles, textures, leathers and custom accents that celebrate Mexico's craftsmanship culture. An extended upper patio will offer exceptional new views of the district. Chef Gaydon's connection to his homeland comes to life as he pairs his love of Mexico with French culinary style and technique. Standout Paseo menu items will include colorful ceviches, Mama's Cochinita Pibil, roasted marinated pork, lamb barbacoa and the mejillones, mussels, pictured above. Din Tai Fung, a Michelin-awarded restaurant brand from Taiwan, will open this summer in the district, bringing their signature soup dumplings, xiao long bao, wontons, noodles, steamed buns, bok choy, pork chop fried rice and other flavorful dishes served family style. 2 new restaurant concepts, a steakhouse restaurant and an adjacent barbecue eatery, are in the works for the downtown Disney District. These will be located on the footprint of the former Tortilla Joe's. We look forward to sharing more, soon. Exciting developments are in motion at Marceline's Confectionery. They're crafting a fresh, enhanced confectionery experience, complete with beloved classics and delightful new creations. While renovations are on the horizon, keep an eye out for Marceline's cart popping up soon in the district, offering delectable treats like caramel apples and churro toffee. What tantalizing flavors are you eager to sample? And remember, there are countless fantastic spots available now to savor a remarkable meal or indulge in an iconic Disney delight in the downtown Disney District.